Welcome to Heritage Safety Training Center, Dubai. Today we discuss on hazardous materials and their risks to health and safety. Hey there managers, supervisors and safety officers. Today I'm diving into the essentials of handling hazardous materials. Whether you're in transportation, storage or everyday use, handling these materials safely is absolutely crucial. Let's get right into it. First off, what are hazardous materials? Simply put, these are substances that pose a risk to health, property, or the environment. They can be chemicals, biological agents, or even radioactive materials. Now, understanding these risks is the first step in ensuring safety. When it comes to transportation, always make sure hazardous materials are in proper containers and clearly labeled. This helps anyone who comes in contact with them know exactly what they're dealing with. Use secure, approved vehicles and follow all regulatory guidelines to minimize any risks during transit. Handling hazardous materials requires a meticulous approach. Always wear the correct personal protective equipment, PPE. That means gloves, goggles, and sometimes even full body suits depending on the material. Never underestimate the importance of PPE. It's your first line of defense. Storage is another critical aspect. Hazardous materials should be stored in a well-ventilated area away from incompatible substances. Make sure storage areas are clearly marked and that only trained personnel have access. Regularly inspect storage containers for any signs of damage or leaks. When using hazardous materials, always follow the manufacturer's instructions and safety data sheets. These documents provide essential information on how to handle, store and dispose of the materials safely. Never mix chemicals unless you're absolutely sure it's safe. Some combinations can be dangerous or even deadly. Let's not forget, knowledge is power. Regular training sessions and safety drills can make all the difference. Make sure everyone in your team knows the risks and the proper procedures. And if in doubt, always contact experts for guidance. In case of spillage, have proper spillage cleaning procedures developed and implemented. To wrap things up, remember that safety isn't just a set of rules, it's a mindset. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and stay safe. For more in-depth training on chemicals and hazardous materials, reach out to the Heritage Safety Training Center in Dubai on email. info@heritagesafetycenter.com or call them on 0435 19649. Thanks for watching. Keep those safety standards high and take care out there.